Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best monitors for gaming. I made this list based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the gaming monitors in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. Once we reach 1,000 likes, we will pick a winner and notify him. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best monitors for gaming on the market right now. Coming at number 8, we've got the BenQ EL2870U 4K. The BenQ EL2870U monitor is a great option for 4K gaming on a tight budget. It has the ability to sync with AMD graphics, and it has an ultra-fast response time thanks to its TN display panel. While this monitor's 60Hz maximum refresh rate isn't the fastest, it's more than sufficient for a good gaming experience. It also makes the BenQ EL2870U ideally suited for 4K gaming on Xbox One X. The monitor supports 4K HDR video, so it's a great option for streaming content for the likes of Netflix and Amazon. BenQ has also equipped the EL2870U with an ambient light sensor, which automatically adjusts its color temperature to match the ambient lighting in the room. Coming at number 7, Dell S2719 DGF. This reasonably priced gaming monitor by Dell is a great option if your computer is equipped with AMD graphics. Thanks to FreeSync compatibility, the monitor can link to your computer's GPU and deliver an excellent gaming performance. Because of its TN display panel, the Dell S2719 DGF successfully combines an ultra-fast response time with a zippy refresh rate. With a QHD resolution, the screen is also sharp enough to deliver a top-notch gaming without demanding an overly expensive graphics card. Equipped with an elegant design and blue accents, it also includes customizable gaming profiles as well as a versatile stand. Number 6. Samsung CRG90 Curved. Samsung's CRG90 gaming monitor is one of the widest monitors out there, featuring a glorious 49-inch curved display panel with a whopping 32:9 aspect ratio. This means you can literally replace two conventional 16:9 monitors with this one, without losing a single pixel in the process. You can even connect two separate devices to the CRG90 and view content simultaneously. The picture quality of Samsung's CRG90 is excellent, thanks to the tech giant's QLED display tech. The monitor delivers vibrant colors and excellent contrast, with HDR compatibility. It will also make compatible games look more dramatic than on conventional gaming monitors. The CRG90 gaming monitor has an ultra-fast display refresh rate, as well as the ability to sync with graphics card for a stutter-free gameplay. It has dedicated settings optimized for today's most popular gaming genres and cool lighting you can customize to your taste. Coming in at number 5, Acer Nitro XV273K 4K. If you own a high-end gaming rig with a powerful graphics card, we suggest getting the Acer Nitro XV273K 4K gaming monitor. A feature-packed powerhouse, it can deliver a mind-blowing 4K HDR gaming experience. The overall picture quality of the monitor is superb, courtesy of an IPS display panel with top-notch brightness and color accuracy. An IGN tester noted that the device has a beautiful detailed 4K image with very good color. The Acer Nitro XV273K has an ergonomic stand, as well as a built-in hood to help you focus on the gameplay. It also has built-in tech to reduce flicker and blue light. Coming in number 4, MSI Optics MAG 272 CQR. The curved MSI Optics MAG272CQR has a cool design with slim display bezels, fantastic picture quality, and superb gaming performance. The monitor is the only pick on this list with a VA display panel. Such screens are known to deliver top-notch contrast, which results in even more vibrant on-screen colors. The display's impressive contrast capabilities include the ability to see better in dark scenes. Dubbed night vision, the feature can also give you an edge over your gaming opponents. Unsurprisingly, the screen of the MSI Optics MAG272CQR also features built-in tech for reducing blue light emission and flicker. It's important to note, even though it's not yet officially certified as NVIDIA's G-Sync compatible, the monitor can work with the tech giant's graphics cards. I like the design of this monitor, as well as the customizable RGB lighting strip on the back. The monitor also features a versatile stand, as well as a feature-proof USB-C port for seamless connection and a compatible computer. Number 3. AOC G2-590FX. Features: 24.5-inch Full HD TN display panel, 1920 by 1080 pixels, AMD FreeSync, NVIDIA G-Sync compatible, 144Hz maximum refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, built-in tech to reduce flicker and blue light. The AOC G2-590FX is the best gaming monitor for budget-conscious buyers. Priced well below $200, the device has a surprisingly sleek design, as well as gaming performance and features worthy of a higher price tag. The G2-590FX is the most elegant gaming monitor in its price range, and well beyond, thanks to impossibly thin side and top display bezels. The device's bottom bezel has a cool red accent, which adds a little character to its minimalist look. Just like its design, the gaming performance of the AOC G2-590FX will exceed your expectations. In addition to delivering gameplay with a high refresh rate and a speedy response time, the product's TN display panel can sync with both AMD and NVIDIA graphics cards. It also features built-in tech to reduce blue light and flicker for extended gaming sessions. It's important to note that the AOC G2-590FX is made primarily for high-performance gaming. If you are a casual player who intends to use the monitor for other tasks, you should consider a product with IPS display. Coming in number 2, HP Omen X25. Features: 24.5-inch Full HD TN display panel, 1920 by 1080 pixels, NVIDIA G-Sync compatible, 240Hz maximum refresh rate, 1 ms response time, built-in ambient lighting. The HP Omen X25 is a solid alternative to the number 1 on our list, but it has a more compact footprint. Its 24.5-inch TN display panel has a lower resolution, but a considerably higher maximum refresh rate. The Omen X25 also features a built-in ambient lighting, which helps prevent eye strain. The gaming performance of the HP Omen X25 is superb so long as you pair the monitor with a compatible NVIDIA graphics card. A PC Mag editor reviewed a similarly equipped Omen X25 variant with FreeSync support and praised the high refresh rate of its display panel. He noted the users might never be able to return to 60Hz once they experience its 240Hz capabilities. The HP Omen X25 has a compact design with thin display bezels, and it has an adjustable stand with a built-in hook for storing your favorite gaming headset. Number 1. LG UltraGear 27G L850B. Features: 27-inch WQHD Nano IPS display panel, 2560 by 1440 pixels, and HDR10 support. AMD FreeSync, NVIDIA G-Sync compatible, 144Hz maximum refresh rate, 1 ms response time, ergonomic stand. The LG UltraGear 27G L850B is the best gaming monitor for most buyers because it ticks all the boxes. It's feature-packed, plenty sharp and ideal for use beyond gaming. Best of all, considering everything it offers. The under $500 Ultra Gear monitor is priced within reach. The device's HDR10 compatible nano IPS panel is the first of its kind to support a blisteringly fast 1ms response time. The feature is typically found in TN monitors, which are nowhere near as vibrant. With support for both AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync tech, the monitor is also nicely future-proof. LG's latest gaming monitor also impressed us with its pleasantly understated design, headlined by impressively thin display bezels and discrete red accents. You can adjust the device's height, tilt the angle, and even rotate it 90 degrees for portrait viewing. I like that the monitor even has a convenient hook for gaming headset on the back. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best monitors for gaming. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.